What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with another vlog. I'm on my tour to South India right now, as you guys must have seen my previous vlogs. Uh, so today I'm actually going from Coorg to Kerala. I'm entering the God's own country, my hometown. I belong to Kerala, though I've not lived there ever. Uh, yeah, but then I belong to Kerala. So yeah, I'm going to a place called Palghat, which is my father's place, and I'm going to meet all my relatives and stuff. So that's the plan. Palakkad shows around 7 hours from here, which is it's around 280 290 kilometers. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but you guys need to check the weather right here because it's all foggy. Like, look at that. Right, it's all foggy, and my bike, बेचारा उसका हालत कर दिया है फॉग ने. अब बैठे क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, उसमें और ज़्यादा टाइम जाएगा. 7:30 हो गया है. मैं सोचा था 6 बजे निकलूँगा, बट सोना भी ज़रूरी था. तो कोई बात नहीं, आज थोड़ा लेट होगा तो भी मेरे कोई इशू नहीं है. Google map is showing me approximately 290 kilometers, around 300, and 7 hours 25 minutes. So yeah, a lot of time left, but the scenery is beautiful. I'm having fun. The weather is so amazing right now. I've opened my visors so that थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा हवा मेरे चेहरे पे आए. But the only thing is my eyes are watering right now. But that's okay. I'm enjoying this whole journey right now between the woods and stuff. Amazing it is. यार, कितना ज़बरदस्त जगह है यार. क्या रास्ते, ऐसे लग रहे शेर हाथी वगैरह सब मेरे आजू बाजू ही बैठे रहेंगे. बहुत ज़बरदस्त यार, यहाँ पे चलाने में मज़ा आ रहा है. रोड भी ज़बरदस्त है. दिस इज़ ब्रह्मगिरी नेशनल फॉरेस्ट गाइज. आई थिंक अब तक के जर्नी में सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस यही है मेरा. अमेजिंग. पता है, यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ ही नहीं है रास्ते पे. दिस प्लेस इज़ एक्चुअली super empty. Absolutely no vehicles, man, which is great. But the scary part over here is that there are some signboards next to the road which states animal crossing area, and the photographs on those signboards are of leopards, tigers and stuff. Oh my god, looking at that I'm like, यार अभी अभी एक शेर क्रॉस करने वाला है.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance.
This bridge is the Karnataka and Kerala border. I'm entering Kerala right now. Super excited to be here. The God's own country. So I'm just having my first tea of the day because the hostel where I was staying, There was nobody to make tea and stuff. I had to make it myself. I didn't have the time to do that, so I left. Now I've crossed the border, and yeah, tea. अब दिखा रहा है 239 kilometers, 6 hours, 6 minutes. Look at the roads in Kerala. It's very nice. The government is doing really good job when it comes to the roads. And I've seen that in Kerala. The roads, they invest in roads because tourism is their mainstay. The government's mainstay, because there are not a lot of businesses and not a lot of companies over here in Kerala. So yeah, it's a good investment. I've been seeing a lot of children going to school. No wonder why Kerala is the highest literate state. It's very nice to see that. There's so many students. मैं इतने सारे states से आया, वो भी यही टाइम पर सुबह. इतने बच्चे नहीं दिखे मुझे जितने यहाँ दिखे हैं. बहुत सही चीज़ है ये. You know, the whole of Kerala is like this. Green everywhere. And the people are also pretty nice. Not because I am from Kerala, but actually people are pretty nice over here. You guys can experience it after coming over here itself. Chilled out jagah hai. So I'm going to enter the national highway right now. What you see on the other side is Mahe. This is not really a famous place, but it is part of Pondicherry, which is right now called as Puducherry. Yeah, you take a right from here and you go to Mahe. So yeah, it's a union territory and it's part of Pondicherry. Not going there right now, not much. I don't have a lot of time. So I was just caught by the cops for having my auxiliary lights. Now they're like, it's not allowed. I agree, it's not allowed, but you know what, I would rather pay the fine because my safety comes first. You know, when I'm on the ghats where there are no street lights and stuff like that, I can't do without this. Certainly I cannot. And police, and I was telling the police, and whatever the fine is, you will let me know, I will pay it. So he's like, okay, I don't wanna spoil your mood right now. You can go because you're from Kerala, you're a Malayali, we respect you, and we respect that you've been riding all the way from Mumbai. So I was like, yeah. So I was like, please follow my YouTube channel Mining Miles. यार यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. ये नेशनल हाईवे है नाम के लिए, लेकिन सारे देखो टाउन वगैरह के थ्रू जा रहा है. एंड इट्स टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. पुलिस पकड़ रहा है, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा है. बहुत एवरेज स्पीड इज़ लाइक 40-50 यार. Come on, go faster, faster, faster. इतना स्लो नहीं चला सकते यार, बोर हो जा रहा हूँ. ये साला पुलिस बहुत है यहाँ पे यार, हर जगह पुलिस खड़ा हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब it's pretty strict out here. यार मुझे स्पीड पकड़ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ यार. लाइक सारा ब्लॉक है. ये नेशनल हाईवे कैसे हो सकता है? ये स्टेट हाईवे लग रहा है मुझे. सारे टाउन्स ही पूरा कंटिन्यूस टाउन्स है. देयर इज नथिंग एल्स. दैट केरला, यू नीड टू मेक अनदर नेशनल हाईवे. दिस इज नॉट ओके. वो भी रिस्की है, लोग जिस तरह से चलाते हैं ना यहाँ पे, स्पेशली बस वाले बहुत खतरनाक चलाते हैं यहाँ पे यार। निकल जाऊं, थोड़ा जगह दे दे, थोड़ा जगह दे दे, गाड़ियाँ थोड़ा टाइम रुक जाए यार। नहीं तब ये भी ओवरटेक करेगा। Look at that, क्या ही चला रहा है। Right, after this, so I'm at this shop over here. Just had a glass of tea. Cool. Another 3 hours 18 minutes to go. Time is just not flying. देखो कहाँ के पार्क कर दिया देखो. So this place is Calicut and यहाँ पे से मैंने सोचा था हाईवेज अच्छे होंगे, बढ़िया होगा, लेकिन कहाँ, सारे वहीं के वहीं है। स्पीड अब तो मैं कर नहीं सकता, अभी बजी पड़ी है यार। अभी भी जाकर 3 घंटा 2 मिनट बता रहा है। I love the backwaters here. Look at that. I just don't love the highways here. Rest, everything is good. I know my words are contradicting, right? A while back I said the highways are amazing, the roads are good. Now I kind of disagree. To go to Palghat, I need to take a left from Ramana Tukkara flyover. Man, वापस छोटे रोड। थक गया मैं यार, freak. Almost going to enter the district of Palghat. Look at the Communist Party flag. So many. People call it Lal Salam over here. Lal Salam means, yeah, it's a hi from the Communist Party side. Oh my god, this place is ruled by them. Kerala and West Bengal are 2 states where Communist parties have a bigger chunk. I never thought Kerala highways would be like this, but pathetic. टाउन में से, स्ट्रीट से, सारी जो दुकानें, मार्केट प्लेस है, यहाँ से गुजर रहा है। फक द। अब और 1.5 घंटा जाना है, टोटल 300 किलोमीटर भी नहीं जाओ। I think it's a suggestion to the government of Kerala. You need to understand the meaning of national highways. You really need to understand the meaning of national highway, because it doesn't work this way. People who want to go to south of Kerala, it is a pain in the ass. Going through streets and the markets, it doesn't make sense. I had a total ride, I had to cover a total of 300 kilometers at the max, and the Google map shows 7 to 8 hours. I don't think it's fair. You know, there are states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, so many states back up, like up north, Gujarat. Every single state I've been to, national highways don't look this way for sure. That's the railway station. Palghat junction. Finally, after a struggle, that really was a struggle. So finally, I've reached Palakkad, and I would not say that the ride was amazing because the highways were not good at all. As you guys just saw, the national highways are passing through the towns, and the markets and stuff, and it doesn't really make sense. I hated that. But anyway, I've reached over here and just took a shower and everything, and right now I'm a little relaxed. Now, what the plan is, I'm just gonna chill with my family and stuff a little bit, and then tomorrow I'll be going ahead to Thrissur, which is my friend's reception, and I'm just waiting for that. I mean, just been waiting. This whole trip is for that. So yeah, going there tomorrow. Yeah, that's the plan, and so tomorrow will be another vlog, which will be from Palakkad to Thrissur, which is just an hour and a half journey. But yeah, vlog is a vlog. You guys will see it for sure. Anyway, as I always say, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Mining Miles. I really love you guys. Thank you.